Alright guys, listen up. Today, I'm showing you 3 different ways to cut a 30-degree angle on square tubing. And I guarantee you haven't seen the third method. It's wild. Enough talking, let's make some sparks. Let's start with method 1, the normal way. Grab your calipers and mark a 4 cm vertical drop. Transfer that 4 cm mark onto the piece you're cutting. Draw your diagonal line just like this and shade in the scrap. Take your angle grinder and chop it off. Easy. And boom, method 1 is done. Moving on. Now for method 2. Pay attention. Use your calipers to mark a 3 cm gap in the middle. Scribe a straight line across. Then find the dead center of the tubing and mark it. Draw diagonal lines from the center out to the edges, like so. Grind away the waste on both sides. Let's fit it up. Not too shabby, the fitment is actually pretty clean. Those first 2 are basic, but this third one, you've never seen it. It's so solid you don't even need to weld it. Almost. Watch this first step closely. Use an angle square as your reference. Place it right at the joint and flush the tubing up against the square. Mark your lines on all 3 sides. Next, measure 2 cm back on both sides and scribe those lines. X out the parts you don't need and let the grinder do the work. When you're done, it looks like this. Now grab your other piece of tubing. Mark a line at 2 cm. For the width of these little tabs, just measure the gap you left on the first piece and transfer the lines. Same deal on the other side. Mark the scrap and chop it out. Let's see how they fit together. Tell me you've seen a joint like this before. I'll wait. Now look, you probably won't use this tedious method on a rush job, but it's cool to know. Like I always say, more skills in your pocket means you never have to ask another guy for help. That's it for today's lesson. If you actually learned something, hit that free subscribe button. I drop practical shop hacks all the time. Thanks for watching, guys.